Okay. So small things, kind of documentation. This has not landed. It's basically a very small breaking change. Not even breaking, but people will have to go update stuff. We just the way chat works today, uh, we did this implicit thing where if you have AI context on a topic anywhere in your model, in any model, then only topics with AI context show up. But that's like too implicit. It forces people to do this AI context thing when AI context doesn't always make sense. So we're just making it explicit so that we have this new top level model parameter, chat only topics. So like specify a list, and then these are the two topics that show up in chat. It only affects this model. So like other models are still here available in my chat. If I want to just get rid of a model in chat, I set it to empty.
And Stephen, to be clear, this doesn't make them chat only. This
Yeah,
just makes them available for chat.
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
We
We
should
can
rename
change
the
the name.
parameter.
yeah, we should maybe
Yeah.
think of yeah.
All right, sounds good.
And
I can rename it. That's why you demo before you merge. Um,
and in the breaking side of this, would this mean that customers who have set up AI context today, but who have not yet set up this new parameter, would have lobby break until they change that?
the only thing that would break is that like if they had set up AI context specifically to limit topics, like I can think of an example that we saw in the wild where someone had like 100 topics and set AI context on two to have only two topics show up there. Suddenly, when we release this, all 100 topics will show up, and the topic picking will probably get funky in chat until you
I
set
mean,
this parameter.
I'm just thinking of customers who embed lobby. If 98 more topics show up in customer
Is
lobby,
I
well,
think there's only a couple. Like,
is
let's just
anyone
pick
in,
them.
and this is only for the chat interface, not for the workbook. So is anybody actually embedding /chat in production yet? I don't think so. I could be wrong.
is Flyer not?
N-
No.
Not
Okay.
the chat interface, just the workbook. This doesn't change the workbook, right, Stephen?
Yeah, nothing about the workbook changes. Yeah.
And by default, Stephen, correct me if I'm wrong, the parameter will not be there. Like nobody will see this appear in their model,
Yeah,
which means all topics will become available, and then they explicitly add this to start limiting it down.
exactly. Yeah, by default, it looks like this Trino model, which just has nothing. And so topics show up.
Yeah, cool.
Cool.
Uh,
Go ahead.
no, never mind. I'll talk about it another time.
All right.